How to change the music length on your Facebook story on Android. This tutorial shows you how to adjust how long your music plays on your Facebook story. First, open Facebook on your Android device and tap on Add to Story at the top of your feed. After that, select the photo or video you want to use for your story. From there, tap on the music icon to add a song to your story. At this point, search for the song you want and tap on it to select it. In the next step, you will see a music bar at the bottom of the screen showing the selected portion of the song. Following this, slide the bar left or right to choose which part of the song you want to play on your story. Once done, you can also pinch or drag the edges of the highlighted section on the music bar to make the clip shorter or longer to match your story length. Finally, once you are happy with the music length, tap Done, and then tap Share to Story to post it. And that's it. If this Facebook guide helped you change your music length on your story, give it a like, subscribe for more Facebook tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.